evening and welcome to Tech Impact News. I'm Balqis and tonight we're going to dive into machine learning, a technology changing the way we live and work. Machine learning enables computers to learn from data and make decisions without human involvement. It's driving advancements across industries from healthcare to cybersecurity and finance. It helps in real-time fraud detections, strengthens cybersecurity defenses, and makes smarter financial predictions. As data continue to grow, machine learning unlocks solutions to complex problems, shaping future of decision-making and innovation.
Hey everyone, my name is Ooi Zi Chen. Today, we are jumping into the world of machine learning. Basically, there are three main types of machine learning, which are supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. First up, supervised learning. It's like having a teacher guiding you. You give the machine a labeled data, and it learns to predict outcomes. Want to predict house prices or whether an email is a spam? Supervised learning got you covered. Classic algorithms like linear regression and neural networks make this happen. Next, we have unsupervised learning. No labels here. It's like giving the machine a puzzle with no picture. It analyzes the data, finds patterns, and groups things on its own. Imagine you're on Netflix and you need to recommend shows to people you don't know yet. Yup, that's unsupervised learning in action. K-means clustering in one cool algorithm that splits data into distinct groups. And lastly, there's reinforcement learning. Picture training a dog, but instead of treats, it's reward for making good decisions. The machine interacts with its environment, learning from rewards and penalties, trying to make the best long-term choices. Think self-driving cars or AI playing video games. This is the magic behind them. So, whether it's predicting outcomes, discovering hidden patterns, or learning by trial and error, machine learning got it all. Thanks for tuning in.
Okay, for my part, I'll be talking about some cool machine learning algorithms. First up is linear regression. Linear regression is basically just a straight line showing how two things are correlated to each other. It's just like saying if you study more, you will get better grades. Next up is logistic regression. Logistic regression is an algorithm that helps the machine to make simple decisions. It is like saying if the email is a spam or is it not a spam. After that is decision trees. Imagine a flowchart that helps you guide to your answers, and each branch, like a tree, represents a choice for a path to your answers. Next up is neural network. Neural network is actually inspired by the human brain, and it has many neurons that work together to process the information. And lastly, we have deep learning. Deep learning takes the neural network and put it up to the next level. It has many layers and it's evidential in this world, like ChatGPT and self-driving cars, and it helps to solve complex problems. And for now, I pass it to Ang Kai Xin.
Hi, I'm Kai Xin. I'm going to talk about neural networks and deep learning. Neural networks and deep learning are key technologies behind artificial intelligence. A neural network is a computational model inspired by the human brain. It consists of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons, which process information. These layers work together. The input layer receives data, the hidden layers process it, and the output layer produces a result. During training, the network adjusts its internet connections, improving accuracy as it learns from data. At the same time, deep learning, a branch of machine learning, uses neural networks with many layers to analyze complex data. It powers innovations like voice assistance, image recognition, and more.
Hi guys, my name is Ooi Zi Chen. Today I want to talk about a crucial aspect of statistical and machine learning models. First and foremost, we commonly use metrics include accuracy, precision, recall, and the F1 score. Each of these metrics serves a distinct purpose and sheds light on different facets of our model's performance. Now, why is choosing the appropriate metrics so vital? It ensures that we are relevant to our specific task. Different programs require different approach, and aligning our evaluation methods with our objective is key. Moreover, accurate metrics provide transparency. Lastly, ease of interpretation cannot be overlooked. Metrics should not only be accurate but also understandable. When we communicate results to non-technical stakeholders, clarity is essential. In conclusion, the choice of evaluation metrics is one of the most important decisions we make in the development and implementation of statistical and machine learning models. By carefully selecting and understanding these metrics, we can ensure that our models not only perform well but also deliver actionable insights that drive our objective forward. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi guys, so let's learn about workflow and data in machine learning. So in machine learning, every project follows a clear process to ensure success. Let us break down the key steps. First up is data collection, where we gather quality information that really matters. Next is data pre-processing, where we clean and organize this data for analysis. Then comes model training, where the model learns from the data using the right algorithm. After that, it moves to deployment, where the model starts making decisions in the real world. But we can't forget about continuous monitoring, which ensures the model remains effective over time. Data is at the heart of machine learning, and how we prepare it impacts everything. So that is the entire workflow from collecting data to real-world deployment. This process helps keep machine learning projects efficient and drives innovation forward.
Thanks for joining us on Tech Impact News. Stay tuned for more stories on the latest breakthrough.